guys, welcome to Craft It Up. On other Craft It Up videos, I've shown you how to make headbands like these. And today what I want to do is I want to give you the basic guidelines for what sizes your headbands should be depending on the girl's or the baby's age. Before I share this basic chart with you, I want to point out some things that are good to consider when making the headbands. First of all, don't forget that these are guidelines. All heads are different, so measures may vary slightly. The second thing is you always need to keep in mind what materials you're using. Some materials stretch more than others. For example, normal elastic stretches much more than glitter elastic. And woven headbands also stretch out more. Okay, so when you use tighter elastic, you want to consider cutting an extra half or 1 inch. And the third thing is you always need to consider adding half an inch for the overlap when you sew or glue your ends together. I'll leave you with a sizing guideline chart now. I hope this was useful. If you'd like to watch headband tutorials, click on the videos on your end screen. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep watching for more videos every week. Bye-bye!